to my channel. Today we're making Nutella cake. Let's get started. Here I'm just sifting my flour. I will list everything down below in the description box to make sure I get a fluffy cake. And I'm adding my baking powder and baking soda, and then I will sift that into my bowl. So that is done. I'm going to set that aside for later. I will now get on and beat 2 eggs with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can use how much sugar you want and how sweet you want your cake to be. So I'm going to whip that for about 2 minutes, and I will be using oil instead of butter. I love oil in my cake because it just gives me a really soft texture, and I don't know, there is just something about it that I love, and also it helps to preserve the cake more as well as keep it moist for longer. So that is why I love using them. And now I'm just incorporating the oil in the egg and continuously beating slowly. Alright, so once that is done, I'm just adding my vanilla extracts and my milk, and then beat that again. Then gradually add my flour and mix that together until it is very smooth in consistency. I have also started to preheat my oven on 180 degrees before I go in to bake my cake. Now I'm just adding my cake to my dusted pan, prepared pan, and throw some Nutella on there and make sure that it is well spread on top of the cake. So I'm not actually aiming for an actual chocolate cake. I just want this Nutella to dig deep inside the cake, give me some good looking cake, and on top of it. But if you do want the whole cake to be chocolate cake, then it's advisable to add the melted Nutella inside the butter and beat it together to get that type of cake you are looking for. But in this recipe, this is how I wanted it, and I achieved that. So guys, this is the end result of my cake after baking for 30 minutes. I let it rest. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, thumbs up for me. Leave a comment down below in the description box and let me know if you do like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.